How to play Rainbow Six Siege on PC with Xbox account. I'm going to tell you how to play Rainbow Six Siege on PC with your Xbox account. Thanks to recent update, Rainbow Six Siege now supports full crossplay and automatic cross progression between all platforms, including PC and Xbox. That means you can pick up where you left off on console and continue playing on your PC, with your rank, operators, and progress carrying over. To do this, just make sure your Xbox and PC are both linked to the same Ubisoft account. You can check and link your accounts by going to the Ubisoft Account Manager page online. Once that's done, download Ubisoft Connect on your PC, log in using your linked account, and install Rainbow Six Siege from either Ubisoft Connect or the Epic Game Store. When you launch the game, your Xbox data will automatically sync. You'll be placed in PC matchmaking lobbies, so your MMR will be tracked separately from console. But all content remains shared. If you want to tweak crossplay settings, just go to the options menu in-game and find it under the General tab.